2018 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, CD player, security system, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.